Hello everyone, welcome to next video. Today in this video, I will show you about how to claim Super Grok. You can claim this without any VPN, anything, just on your own IP if you are in Asian country like Nepal, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, or any Asian country. Okay, then this start. First, you have to open your browser, go into your browser, and go in browser, search Grok, grok.com. After searching, you have to first sign up with your new account, or you can simply use your old account if you haven't activated this offer yet. Okay, then you go to click on sign up, and you will be shown like this interface. Then you have to sign up with anything. You can sign up with X, you can sign up with Apple, Google. Here I am going to sign up with email. So just click on sign up, and then you will be sent code in your mail. Check out your mail and then paste that code in this boxes. Okay, have entered that code. Now you have to simply add your name and after entering your information, just click complete sign up. After complete sign up, if you want to, then save your password. I will save my password. And then after logging into Grok, you will see this offer here, right here. Super Grok unlock extended try for free. And you have to click on try for free. And after that, you will see free offer for 7 days. Try for free 7 days. But with this method, you will be able to use more than 30 days. With this method, your subscription will be automatically extended to 30 days. As I have already subscribed it and I experienced that thing. Now after that, you have to click start 7-day free trial. After that, it will be shown like this interface. Saying again, you don't have to add any types of any card. Just copy this address bar link and go to our channel. You have to find this link and you have to click there and just you will enter this group. You just have to send this link in this group and admin will verify it.